This quick guide is about how to enable the Save Submission for later completion. So first thing we do is click Edit Form to go to the Edit Form tab. Then we scroll all the way down and click or check the box under the beta features. Then we save as normal. Click Continue Builder, then click Update Form. So now when we open the link, we continue as normal. Click Fill and Sign. Scroll down and you'll see a new button that says Save and Continue Later. When we click that, the information is going to be saved in the cloud. And now you can open the link from any other devices, and all the data will be there. You can also switch between mobile phones, computers, or whatever device you choose.